with part 2 of how I made my tags and my tag and pocket, and these are the ones that I done last night. Just in case you're watching this video before you've watched the first one, I will put the link to the first one below, and then and on the second, yeah, that's it, I'll put the links below. Right, so this is the image that I'm using, and that's from Artimaze. It's her floral tag set 1. Just inking around the edge, and I'm just going to glue that onto. I'm going to glue that. It's a bit gloopy, this glue. I'm gluing that onto the book page or the dictionary page or whatever it is. I have just like that, and again I'm just using my decorative scissors just to give it a bit of a tatty edging. These I got years ago in a set. There's like 10 or 12. I only ever use these ones. Should really pull them out and use the other ones. I just like the, you know, that edge. It's called corkscrew. So, and then I just got to ink around that. And I'm gonna, again, the scissors. You could hand tear this if you like, but I'm not going to. Yep, I'll do it that way. I'm going to put them on at angles now. I first originally seen Gina, who is the Firefly Studio 60 something or other. I think is it 64? I can't remember. She had showed us how to do the layering of the tags. It's a nice way. I'll link Gina's video below. You can layer your tags however you like. I was just trying to use up some of my scraps last night, and I must admit I was quite pleased on how it turned out using a mixture of things. Nothing really looked like it was going to coordinate, and it turned out quite nice, so I was pleased with that. So I'm going to just use a little bit of eyelash trim, not that much, and I normally loop it through the back. Pull it through the back, sorry, once I've made it into a loop. Obviously that's still a little bit damp from the wet glue, so you would kind of leave that, but that is it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And obviously you can do these to whatever size you like. It's just when you're doing your pockets, I would just give at least maybe 1/4 of an inch around the edges, so that you can actually fit the tag in, and maybe tuck other things in there as well if you're using it in your journals. So that's the one I've just made, and them. So I'm going to pop these into a journal. I'm actually thinking of some other type of pocket to make maybe 4 other pockets to put into the same journal. Oops, you know what I forgot to do, and I've turned my hot glue off, is just put the little piece of bling there. So I'll do that in a minute. I'll just reattach my cordless glue gun, and then I will do that when I'll do it off camera. But yeah, that's how you make them. If there's any questions, then ask, and like I said, I will put the links below for you to go and check them out. And while I'm on here, I have a 10% sale in my shop. I'll put the link for that below as well if you're interested. Got a few journals on there at the moment, and then there'll be quite a few journals on there in the next couple of weeks, whilst the discount is still running, because it runs to the 28th of February. So you've still got 21 days of 10% discount. So I hope you're all having a great evening, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.